Hi there, it's Miss Jen from the Lewis Public Library. And today I'd like to read to you from one of my favorite authors, Todd Parr. One of his latest books is called The Cars and Trucks Book. Let's read it. Vroom, vroom. It's another busy day for the cars and trucks. Some cars are fast. Some cars are slow. Some buses take you to vacation. And some buses take you to school. All cars and trucks love to be on the road. Some trucks keep the streets clean. Some trucks help to keep the earth clean. Some trucks help on the farm. Some trucks help in the city. All cars and trucks love to be clean. Some trucks deliver books. Some trucks deliver laundry. Some trucks wash dirty dogs. Some trucks serve hot dogs. All cars and trucks love to help people. Some trucks haul dirt. Some trucks play in the dirt. Some trucks carry trucks. Some trucks carry ducks. Some trucks like to drive in the snow. Some cars like to drive to the beach. All cars and trucks love to say good night. Cars and trucks help us do a lot of things. But it's also good to take the bus or ride a bike. The end. Love, Todd. That is the Cars and Truck Book. I'm glad I could share that with you today, and I look forward to reading to you again soon. Have a great day.